Hey there everyone, welcome back again with another video. In the last 51 videos in this video series, we have covered most of the important things which are required for creating the Hyperledger Fabric basic network. If you have gone through all this video, now it's time to upgrade your skills from basic to advanced. So what are the different advanced operations available in the Hyperledger Fabric? So first of all, these advanced operations are nothing but adding new components in the existing network without disturbing our current setup. So what are the different advanced operations? I have created a separate Udemy course for this. So in this course we will have a different sections. You can see on the screen we will have a total 4 sections. In the first section we will create a basic network from the scratch. In the current video series we have already covered this all the part. If you want to extend your network, then you don't need to go through this first section. So if you have already your network up and running, you don't need to follow this section first. If you don't have, then you have to create the basic network first, and on the top of this basic network we will be doing all the operations like adding new organization in the existing application channel. This is one of the advanced operations, so we will have a separate section for these operations. In the section 3 we will add a new organization in the existing consortium. So this is nothing but the updating the consortium. And in last section we will add a new orderer in the existing network. So this will be the basic network you can see on the screen, and on the top of this basic network we will be adding new organizations in this application channel, in the consortium, that is nothing but the system channel, and new orderer in the existing ordering cluster. There are certain flow we have to follow. First of all, when we talk about the adding a new organization in the application channel, so first of all we have to create a crypto material for the new organization, generate definition file, and we need to follow certain configuration update flow, that is fetching configuration, changing necessary things, signing that configuration update block, and finally sending to the orderer. So once we update successfully, later on we can run all the necessary services for the new organizations, and after that we can make that organization as a part of existing channel. This is the configuration update flow which we will be following for 5 to 6 times in our video series, because this is the frequently used of configuration update flow, and it is mandatory to follow this flow while doing any kind of update in the Hyperledger Fabric. So we follow certain steps like fetching the configuration block, updating the necessary things, computing the update using config.txt letter tool, and finally signing that resultant block with the specific admin identity as per the policy defined, and finally sending to the orderer. This is the configuration flow. This flow we will be following for all the operations. Once you add new organization in the existing channel, you can see here this organization would be the part of this application channel, and adding new organization in the consortium. So if we are able to add a new organization in the application channel, then what is need of adding this organization in the consortium? So if we want to create a new channel using these organizations, so this organization, if it is not a part of consortium, then this organization cannot create a channel. So that is the purpose we have to add this new organization in the consortium, so that this new organization can create a channel with any other organization in the existing network. So that's why we will be doing this exercise as well in the section 3. Now once we are done with this, you can see here the system channel, once we add these organizations, this will be the part of system channel, so that it can create a new channel. And the last section would be adding a new orderer in the existing network. So this flow we will have to follow certain steps like creating the crypto materials for the new orderer, adding consenter to the system channel, fetching genesis block, and starting the container for the new orderer, and finally next one is the adding orderer address to the system channel, adding consenter to the application channel, and adding order address to the application channel. So in Hyperledger Fabric we have two different kind of channel. First one is the system channel, second one is the application channel. In case if we have multiple application channel, then we have to do these steps, adding an address and adding consenter to each and every application channel, and we will have only one system channel right now here. These are the different flow we will be covering in the video series. And again, this course is the extension of this video series which we have already covered, like 51 video we have already gone through it. And you can see this is the extension for the existing video series. I will add all the necessary Udemy links with the promo code in the YouTube descriptions. So I will mention 2 or 3 different links. So try to use first one, that will give one of the best deal. If in case that is not working, then you can use second or third. On the screen you can see here on the Udemy I have this course, Hyperledger Fabric 2.x Basic and Advanced Network Operations. So here we will be covering the different sections which I have already mentioned, like adding organization in the existing channel, adding organization in the consortium, adding order in the existing network. These are the different sections we are going to cover, and I have deliberately made this course shorter so that it would be easy to understand. That is almost 5 hours course. I will be sharing all the promo code in the YouTube description. Just try to grab it. These promo code are valid only for the couple of weeks, so try to grab it as soon possible. After grabbing this promo code, you will get up to 90 to 95% discount, and final price of the course would be almost between $5 to $10 probably maximum, or maybe less than that as per the country. During the course, in case if you are facing any issue, you can just DM me, or you can ask me the question there. You guys can DM me on Instagram as well, so I will try to help you as per my time availability. One more announcement I would like to mention here. So this is not the end of this video series. So there are a lot of other concepts as well I am going to cover, and I will keep adding new video as well in the video series. There are almost 10 to 20 videos still are in the queue. So I will be recording those videos as per my availability, and will be posting to the YouTube as well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. In case if you like this video, you can just subscribe this channel and like the video. You can share this video those who want to learn advanced fabric operations, like adding new organization and orderer in the existing network. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.